know if or when you'll ever call me back, but I'll keep trying. I don't know what else you expect me to do. I don't really know where to start, and I don't want to say the wrong thing, and I know it won't mean anything unless it's coming from the heart, so I just want you to know that I'm sorry. Then I'll keep apologizing for as long as it takes. I know I made a big mistake. I'm sorry for what I did, for what I said. I didn't mean it. I wish we could take it back. I wish it didn't knock us off track like it did. I wish you and me could be back like we were before. Back like we were before.
You broke my heart, and it's a fact. And you know what you were doing when you did that. Yeah, you broke my heart, girl. You broke my heart. I don't know what I did wrong to deserve this. I told you I would give you everything, give you the world, give you the diamonds, I give you the pearls, but yes, you broke my heart. Can't forget what you said, baby girl. The words are in my head, they're going back and forth like a boomerang. Baby girl, right now I do my own fucking thing. I ain't coming back, and that is a fact. You know what you did when you were doing it. You know what you said when you were saying it. Baby girl, this ain't a guitar that you will be playing it. Baby girl, this no fucking benefit of hurting me. You just hurt yourself. I'm going on my own. Baby girl, you just a dog on the bone, eh? You can keep on apologizing, but that ain't gonna change the fact that you cheated on me and you told me in an argument, overheated. No, I feel so defeated. My feelings for you got deleted, so I ain't coming back. You broke my heart, that's a fact. And I don't know why you did that, girl. Don't know why you did that, but you did it anyway. I ain't gonna stay with you, I can't call you my babe. So I'm gonna get myself a new girl. Damn, maybe two girls, because life's fucked up, I can't trust anyone. Baby girl, I thought you were my number one, but you still stabbed me in the back, and that's a fact. Baby girl, you made me wanna catch a heart attack. You broke my heart. Baby girl, I didn't know you were like that. I thought for my love you would fight for it, but you didn't fight back. Oh, I don't like that. You didn't fight back, so I will never fight back. In the darkness, I don't want your light back. Yeah, so you can do what you wanna do, say what you wanna say. I will never come back and be your babe. You broke my heart, and I tell anybody any day that you were fake.
The words come out without thinking it through. I didn't think it through. I didn't think about how much it would hurt you. I never meant to hurt you. That was never my intention that I mentioned that. Do you really think I meant for that? Never would I intend for that. I miss you. I want you to be okay. I wish you'd answer my call.